Hello, my name is Benka Kojarko and I work for data analysis and data entry. So practically what I do is just collect information, collect data, and put it into an organized little table for you guys to just see straightforwardly what information you guys need to take or what you guys don't need to take. So that is my job, and I will just quickly demonstrate what I can do or what you guys can expect from me. I will have an article and then I have a spreadsheet right here. I will read briefly through the article. It has a lot of information, numbers, and percentages. And let me just open that, guys, for you guys. There you go. So we will be basically dissecting smartphone sales by brands in 2024. I just randomly brought up this prompt from somewhere, I don't remember. But anyways, I will demonstrate how it will be looking like on the spreadsheet. So what I would usually do is probably name it, obviously. So let's do top 5 smartphones, or we can just do smartphone data in 2024. And then we can insert a table. And this is Google Sheets. I don't know if Excel has more functions, but I really like Google Sheets because they have very interesting stuff and they updated many things. So let's do table. Let's see. If we go back to our article, we can see that they have three breakdowns. So they have a market share. So they have given us 5 brands that we're going to be work with. They have given us information about how many units are sold, what percentage of the market share that they are holding in. So for example, Apple holds 21% of the market shares. As I can see, that will be around 82 if I'm not mistaken, or 82% probably, yes. Altogether, that means probably 18% are other phones, so just letting you guys know. Also, they have the regional breakdown of sales, so we will be working with 4 regions right here. We also have percentages of each iPhone company. We also have been given a revenue and growth. So we have, for example, Apple generated 320 billion and had a 7% increase from last year. We have these 3 brands that we haven't gotten a revenue from, so we'll just quickly search those. And we have been given the percentages for those. So let's see. I think for the first graph, we will write market shares. And then we'll do the brand. I think I will put that in bold. We'll have Apple, Samsung. I don't remember the rest. There you go. Okay, I got all of them. Now I will just quickly type in how much they have sold, like a column for how much they sold and the percentage. So there's a lot of cool things that you can also do. There's like a lot of functions. For example, okay, yeah, it has to have value. Okay, units sold, and we'll probably put it in millions. they have Apple sold 235 million. We'll just put that in. And I guess we'll be back for our second table. Alright, so I quickly finished the units sold and the market shares. I have renamed the column and I already put in all the correct percentage values, and we just have 2 more columns left, 3. So I'm just gonna delete those. Delete those. And we could just do a lot more, like insert charts and everything like that. So that is cool. I am going to probably move on to our next sheet. Let's duplicate, and that's going to be sheet 2. Let me see if we can rename that. For practicality, okay, we could have just done that. Okay. Let's do brand again, or should we do region? Let's see. Okay, so I am thinking to do brands on the side, and on top we will have the regions. Fantastic, correct? Fantastic. Okay. Let's see. That would be, for example, let's have, what is there? There's North America. And I'm thinking to do that. If it doesn't work, then we'll redo that, obviously. Let's see. We have Europe, Asia, Pacific, and Latin America. Okay. Let's do Europe. And we will add more columns. Then we'll have Latin. There you go. Alright, I will delete all of these. There you go. I probably will rename them as well. Data. I think we could also try to put in a graphical map. I think I'll have to double check with that though. And Apple did, let's see, 58, 35. There's nothing for Asia, and 20. So 58, 35, and 20. H 35, and then we got 20. I can try to figure this one out a bit later, but I think we'll just skip that since we don't have any data and I just want to make this sweet and short, or short and sweet. So let's move on to Samsung. We have 30, 40, 7, and 45. So that is, once again, 30, 47, and 45. $30, 40, 7, 45. And I guess we'll be back with all of the percentages that I can put in. So, alright, I am back and I have included all the information that I could have put it in. The rest, they just say whether they say other. Okay, let me just show you guys. Says the other remaining is 12%, or they just didn't include any other information. So that is up to independent research. I would obviously put that in. I would actually research the information from a couple of sources so I can put an accurate answer. But otherwise, we can also go and do our last one. So I think I will search up these 3 for the last one. We can once again add another sheet. And here is where we can put in another table. And this is where the revenue and growth, this is where the percentages also come in. Let's see. Revenue and growth. There we go. Let's do brand again. I think I should have copied off the last one, but it's okay. Brand, we'll have Apple once again. Samsung. Let's have and there you go. Alright, let's do revenue, and then we'll have a growth, and we'll put a percentage sign, and I think here we'll have a revenue in billions. So I guess I will be back with the complete chart. So, alright, so I came back. I have filled out each column that I had to. We see that I just quickly researched on these 3 brands. For Vivo, they had the numbers in millions, so I had to quickly convert that into billions, so that had the consistency of billions. And for the growth, I put it a red -3% for Samsung, which means decline. And I think so far, that is the chart that I would provide. This is totally customizable. It can depend on the situation. It could be for surveys. There can be also graphs included. Let's see if we can add one. Let's do a chart. If we'll pull up one, that'd be nice. There you go. So we can totally pull up a whole entire graph. There is all sorts of graphs that they can provide in Google Sheets. Let's see. Oh, so I can totally customize the whole entire colors and everything, so that is cool. That is what I can do. This is just one of the scenarios. There is a bunch of other things that I could do, but this is just one of the things. So thank you so much.